So you've got a dusty canvas. They get like this over time when they're hanging on your wall, the tops of them. Every year or so, I think it's a good idea to try to clean it off. Now I'm going to show you a very easy method to do this. It is with a Swiffer, and it's very simple. Just dust off. You don't have to worry about it scraping off the paint. Acrylic paint is really tough, especially if it has been dried for a while. And if it gets a little dusty like this one is, it's just fine. Just keep going. You can, even if you need to get into areas, like use your finger and kind of use it kind of like a rag almost. And if the Swiffer didn't do a complete job on it, just get a really soft paper towel, put a little bit of water on one of the corners just so that it's a little bit damp, and then go over it with this. Now I would suggest not to do this on the front of a painting, but on the tops of the paintings it's fine, because if for some reason the person who painted the painting, or if it was you who painted, if you didn't varnish it and a little bit of the paint comes off, it won't be the end of the world. It's just on the top edge. Now most of the time though, paint will not come off. I mean, I did not varnish this painting back here. It's because I'm just keeping it for myself. It's of my cat. And so I didn't really worry about putting varnish on it. But whenever I use the paper towel to clean it, it gets all that extra dust off of there, and it makes it look good as new. See, I'm scrubbing on this pretty hard, but not a bit of paint is coming off on here. It's just dust. You can see it all looks so nice and clean. But what are you to do if you need to clean the front of your painting? I've made a video that shows you exactly how to do this, so you can watch it here. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.